Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to resolve Google Gemini not working and opening on Android. If you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you. So let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's possible that if the Google Gemini not working and opening, it might be due to a connectivity issue. To check and fix it, turn off and turn on the mobile data. Switch from mobile data to the Wi-Fi connection. Enable and disable the airplane mode. The next thing to try is to close the Google Gemini app completely. After you close the app, start it again and see if that has solved the problem. Clearing Google Gemini and Google App Cache is another method that can help you removing all the temporary stored files and fix this problem. To do so, navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps and find the Google Gemini and Google app. On the Apps page, choose Storage and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Even applying all the solutions, if still facing app not working problem, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Google Gemini app. To uninstall app, find the Google Gemini app on your device's home screen. Then, long press on it and tap on Uninstall. Now follow the steps to install Google Gemini app. Go to Google Play Store and type Google Gemini in search box and tap on it. Tap on Install option. To proceed further, tap Accept after reviewing the app permission. Sometimes, an outdated Google Gemini app can develop unexpected issues. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. To do so, open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Update section, find the Google Gemini and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. If you are looking for a quick way to fix app crashing, freezing, or not working problem, then there is no better option than using the Android Repair tool. Besides this issue, it can fix other Android phone brands' errors easily. To try this software, click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about how to fix Google Gemini not working and opening problem on Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.